Now let me introduce one of our popular items, door control sensor light 209258. It is like this. Here have a door control sensor, and this product is normally used for under drawer and bed cabinet. Now I'll show you how to use. I connect the power. So when you use it for the drawer will be pushed out. Close the door, open the door, the light will be come out to this size. But when you use for the bed cabinet, the light should be to the back side. So this design you can change the lighting directions. And change here. So you see the light to the back side. So this for the bed cabinet. And how to install this light? For example, for the drawer light, here have two install brackets. Keep in both sides. Use screw to fix in the wood panel. These two sides, these two screws to fix the light. And you can also use the screw to fix in the top side. Screw here and one more here. From here to the top side. Even you can use the 3M double side tape to connect here, because the light is not heavy, it's very light. This is the way to install the light. So this is our popular items 209258 door control long linear light.